So we're in the middle of the lake, going for a canoe ride. About 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Macintosh Lake. Boys had very successful fishing today for the few hours that we did. Huge smallmouth bass in here. Connor's caught the biggest one. He got him up on land.
Mine is right here.
And he slipped out of our hands.
Mine's right here.
He slipped out of our hands and fell into the water. So we're going for a quick canoe ride around the island here, and then we're gonna head home, have some dinner.
We're not heading home. We're going to our cottage. But
Our campsite.
Campsite.
We'll talk to you soon.